It's a very good morning from Shorget Dutabash Kabi Jasim Uddin Hall, and all of my roommates are staying in this room. And we express our great gratitude to dear Monjurul Islam brother, because this person who have already qualified 43 BCS and who also hold on education cadre. For that reason, we are arranging party, and we try to cook various items. And here is my roommate, and here please I say I want to ask something about this room. Mr. Shojib, please say something. Mr. Shojib.
Thanks to Monjurul Islam Bhai. We are very happy. May Allah bless you.
Okay. Rabbi.
Yes, we are very happy because after lots of days we are having a picnic in the city, and really we are very thankful to Manjurul Bhai.
Thank you, Manjur Bhai, and pray for us as we are your roommate also, and we also try to gain our goal as you gain it. Thank you.
And here I want to mention that we had a great past and we had a great history in this room, and all of these roommates are also struggling to make history, and inshallah we'll do better in the future.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. Here is Sorik Mama, and he considered as the national mama in our room, and he also tries to help in cooking. Today is also Zumba Day, hence this day is very special for us, and extend a hand to kindness to others. And we also take photo with our roommates, and we want to make memory in future. For that reason, we can capture various types of the photos in various angles.